Tukumihi atu ki a koutou katoa e hono mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga whakata Māori ko te kēmu e whai ake nei ki kirikiri roa nei ko Hamilton Boys High School me Palmerston North Boys High School. I roto I tēnei whakataitai Super 8 te wiki tuatoru.
Uai, kua takoto te manuka.
Which means nothing achieved without hard work. And they'll be the ones that will kick off to Hamilton Boys High School, who were established in 1955. And away we go. This mouth-watering encounter is underway. Kapute Naina kia Kāwai. Talking about front rowers, is Kāwai. The tight head prop for Hamilton Boys High School. This is a strong run, stripped away. Palmerston North Boys come up with it. And away he goes, a good run. He's broken free. It's Mitchell Hopper. Taking the ground eventually. No halfback. Counter ruckers on Hamilton. They sense the turnover still there for Palmerston North Boys that they do.
And they've done well just to get Rudolph on the first tackle. They're playing very, very deep right behind their vantage line here, but they punch one through and just pass it off.
Yeah, turned over, and it's Greaves now who has it, and there's a counter-attack opportunity. In fact, that was Parai out to Phillips. Phillips with a big tackle on him. It's still alive. Palmerston North Boys come up with it with Greaves.
And once again, they absorb the pressure. Steinmetz, beautiful, he gets a nice slice, but it hasn't gone out. Ka whakahoki te ball, ki te haika, or Hamilton, Jackson, by the way, and he goes forward too. There's some very good height in both these haika.
Oh, away goes Edwards, Edwards with a breakaway, just taken by the ankles, still going. Edwards to the line, a couple of metres short. Now it comes to the short side, and the first try of the match has been scored by the co-captain, Tom Foote.
But I think it started early. They got that kick in behind the back three. And Rudolph is, man, he's a saint back there. He really gets his team out of trouble. He's come on and slipped straight into, looks like midfield, definitely.
There's Reed, the captain, takes it off the line out, and again they drive. Palmerston North Boys High School. They're getting the slaps on the back. Keep going, boys.
Fafita.
And it's just skewing towards the sideline. This is good defence by Hamilton Boys.
Yes, indeed, Fafita, he got in
touch.
There. Fafita, he got in there early.
Haere ki Murira, ki Tora Tonu, Nordstrom. Nice left foot step opening it up, and that was Parai. And on his shoulder was Mark. It's still alive for Hamilton Boys High School. Getting closer and closer as the backs rearrange themselves out to this right-hand side. They're starting to screen for it, but they'll keep it tight. Another pick and go. A metre short. Play on, it's there. A penalty advantage coming for Hamilton boys. It's Nordstrom who has it go himself close to the post, but we'll go back for the penalty. Let's watch the quick tap.
Don't they look like a different team, Hamilton boys, when they get within your 22? We've just seen a beautiful bit of class there from Cullen Pardai.
Sorry, here goes a quick tap, and it's Foot who passes it. There's an appeal for a try. Yes, he piro anō, te piro tuarua. More Hamilton Boys High School.
And 10-0 Hamilton boys. 2 opportunities to strike, and they've striked.
Boff away for the conversion. It's good.
55% of the pearl has been in Palmerston North's hands, and they've just made the most of the opportunities. Kiri roa.
Rima minute here, toi ana I tēnei wahanga tuatahi o te kēmu nei. And a big break, it opens up. The gate's wide open. Still going, the offload. Doesn't find a person, goes to the ground, and it's there now for Fita. Oh, the hurdling over was Parai over the defence. It's still there now. It's with Hala, looking for try number 2, Hala. They're underneath the posts. Hamilton boys, centimetres short, but held up. Great defence, Palmerston North boys. The defence was there to meet him. Oh, big dummy, and it's Nordstrom having to go. Offloading, and here it is. It's Mills who passed it off to Mark, who was there in support as they go the short side. Hamilton boys, they're lining up here, running out of space, but it's out there for Phillips. Phillips for the first try. Ko te rā te piro tuatahi o te wāhanga tuarua ahua ko tahi miniti. Kua haere tēnei wā. Phillips, dangerous there on that right wing. And like you say, a bit of luck went their way. A slight deflection into the breadbasket, I suppose, for Luke Phillips. He's still got a bit of work to do on the sideline as the conversion from the outside is right down the middle. Really struggling Palmerston North to inject in a big turnover. Hamilton boys offloading. Here it is. They need support. He's still going. And that's Edwards. Hard man to put down. They go wide. A good pass there by Nordstrom. On the outside is Phillips looking for number 2 in 2 minutes. Oh, but it's just bobbled into touch.
But done well there, Edwards, just to keep the ball in play. They're definitely stretching them side to side, aren't they?
Yep, and here they come. A big break here. And look, Johnny on the spot. Good offload. Play on. It's Hammond. Hammond is over the line. He's got there. Hunter Hammond.
Wow. And here we have the high katene, the kaifana. Going to bag a couple more points here, Jackson. Yeah, and it's just... Wow.
Oh, he put the commentator's curse on him.
Yes. In the north, they've got a few whānau that have made the big trip up. Great to see. But unfortunately, just an overthrow. And here's our latest try scorer. Got himself a meat pie there. Hunter Hammond. And yes, why not? Chipping behind. This is great. Brautaki from Hamilton boys.
Oh, the bounce is an awkward one. Oh, it's been knocked forward. It's still there. Hamilton, Nordstrom. Gives it out. They've got the ball, Hamilton boys. They've got the advantage too. But what an awkward bouncing ball there. Hard to deal with, and it's been turned over. There'll be a scrum now for Hamilton boys. Here we go, Hamilton boys off the back. It's Edwards. Edwards will have a run, no doubt. Here we go. Good defence though, keeping him up off his feet, but he's still driving those legs, Edwards. He's just short. Foot gives it out. Still there with the forwards for Hamilton boys.
Grass cutter tackle there, and they're just going to go wide through the hands.
Here we go to Pola. Tuapola will go all the way and he'll score. Tuapola. Kua piro ia I naenei. The poise, the control as a first 5, as the conversion is successful.
Pick between both teams has been outstanding. Both of these could have highly respect each other, and it's played in such a great spirit. So kanuing amihi kia koutou ngā kaitako katoa. Oh gee, that's enough. They just
off the back fence.
They got a couple of concrete makers, I think, there at Hamilton boys. Oh yes, and there's pressure.
Yeah, the defence putting pressure on, and it's Whanua will go all the way by the looks of it. Yes, Whanua deserves it. Yeah, he's born in Rotorua. Took a low part Tongan, and that's just missed there by Walker, but line out. Anei te tūtira. Ka haere ki wanganui o te tūtira nei. He moro. As they drive towards the line, it's looking good. Hamilton boys close to the line, but just pulled up short. Pick and go. As they go the right side, it opens up. And an appeal for a try. But it's still there for Hamilton boys. They have another go. Who wants it? It's with Hammond. Hammond short. Right through the middle, yes. It's on the line, is it? Who scored it? Well, Palmerston North Boys had to absorb a lot of attack there, especially from the forwards of Hamilton boys, and there's only so much you can absorb before the defensive cracks start to appear as Botherway adds the extras for the loose forwards. As Colt spreads it, and it's opening up here for Hamilton boys, and it's now with Dahar Elliott. Dahar Elliott needs support. Can't get the ball away. Great defense there by Whanua. They're lining up to this left-hand side. Surely, Botherway gets it away, and it'll be Maxwell Cutter who scores, the Chiefs under-18s player in the corner. A pretty tricky conversion kick here on the sideline. And he's just hooked it. Ko tērā te mutunga o te kēmu. Whātekau mā toru ki te rima. Ki Hamilton Boys High School, ko rātou ngā toa o tēnei kēmu, i tēnei ahi, whātekau mā toru ki te rima.